Good morning students, this is Rahul sir and you are most welcome in Mindful classes. In previous class we studied exercise 6.2 and we have solved 10 questions. Today we are going to solve further questions. Let's talk about the question number 12. Here a triangle is given and the few exterior angles are made and the table is given in which the few angles are given and few angles we have to find out. Okay, so in let's come to the exercise question 12. With reference to the figure, fill in the missing angles in the table. Okay, the in first entry it is given that angle. Let's make the diagram first. What are the okay, so this is given. Now here in this table the values of angles are given. YXZ, this angle is given to us 40 degree. Okay, angle XYZ is given 60 degree. This angle is given 60 degree. Angle XZY, this angle is given, so this angle is given 80 degree. Okay, now what do we have to find out? Angle XZA, we have to find out angle XZA, we have to find out this angle, we have to find out. Now we can find out this value with the help of the property of exterior angle. What is the property here? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite two angles of the triangle. So angle XZA is equal to angle ZXY plus angle XYZ. So the angle X is given 40 degree and this is given 60 degree. Obviously angle XZA is equal to 100 degree. So this angle will become okay. Now for the second case, the values of these angles are different, so that we have to remove these angles. Okay, we can't solve the second question with the same angles. No, we have different angles. We are given here. So this angle X is 36 degree, angle Y is given 45 degree, and XZY, this angle we have to find out, and ZYC, this angle we have to find. Okay, so first of all we can find out the angle Z here, this one, with the help of angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property? Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Angle X is given 36, angle Y is given 45 plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 81. So angle Z will be equal to 99 degree. Okay, so we find this angle. Okay, now we have to find out this angle. Again, angle exterior angle property. What is the exterior angle property? This angle is equal to sum of angle X plus angle Z. So angle ZYC is equal to angle X plus angle Z. So angle X is given 36 plus angle Z is given, we have find out already, 99 degree. So what do we get? We get 135 degree. Angle ZY. This is how rest of the angle we can find out. Okay. Now let's come to the another question. Let's come to question number 15. Okay, let's come to question number 15. What is given here? Find out 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The figure is given and we have to find out these angles. Now please take the screenshot of this question. So these angles are given and we have to find out the angles 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. So let's find out these angles. Now look at here. This angle and angle 5. This 110 is equal to angle 5. Why? Vertically opposite angles. So angle 5 is equal to 110 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now this angle 5 is 110. Okay. Right. Now we have to find out angle 3 and angle 4. So this 110 become an exterior angle for this triangle. Okay. This triangle will look like if I make it separately like this. So this is an exterior angle and this will be sum equal to this and plus this. So 110 is equal to angle 3 plus 30 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 110 minus 30. What do we get? Angle 3 is 80 degree. Now we have find out this angle. Next, angle sum property we can apply. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 30 minus, what is the value of angle 3? 80 degree. Put the value of 180 degree. What do we get? 70. Angle 4 is 70 degree. So we found angle 4 is 70 degree. So angle 4 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 vertically opposite angle. Okay. So angle 2 is equal to again 70 degree. Again we can apply angle sum property. Angle sum property here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 equal to 180 minus 60 minus angle 2 is 70 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Okay. This is how we can solve this question. Take the screenshot of this. Now let's come to the question number 18. What does it say? If the ratio of the sides of a triangle is given 2:3:4 and the shortest side is 4 cm, find the length of the other two sides. The length of the shortest side is given. Okay, and we have to find out the length of other two sides. Shortest side is equal to 4 centimeters. Ratio between sides is given 2:3:4. Okay. Now let us assume that the perimeter, listen, if the shortest side is equal to 4, then if we multiply these numbers with x, the shortest side is equal to 2x. Okay, so shortest side is given 4, so 2x, x equal to 2. Now if x is equal to 2, then other two sides is equal to 3x equal to 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter, and other side, longest side is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 2, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, this is how we find out the numbers values. Okay, this is how we can solve these questions. So complete this exercise 6.2.